on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making honey pepper chicken mac and cheese. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 large chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 cups of dry elbow macaroni, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup of shredded gouda cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and we're also going to need 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. To a pot of salted boiling water, I'm going to add in my elbow macaroni. You want to cook your macaroni until it's al dente. Next, for our chicken chunks, I had mixed a little bit of seasonings together: garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, paprika, and also adobo all-purpose seasoning. We're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some of it on top, and we're going to add in our liquid smoke. And all you want to do is mix it until the chicken is well coated. Now you can set it to the side. Now for our honey sauce, you want to put your saucepan on medium-low. We're going to add in our honey. Our soy sauce, our ground black pepper, and also our apple cider vinegar. You don't want this to come to a boil. You just want it to come to a light simmer. So go ahead and mix everything until it's well combined. Okay, you want to let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens up some. Okay, after 5 minutes, you can go ahead and turn off your heat and set it to the side. Once your pasta is done cooking, you can go ahead and drain it and set it to the side. Onto a heated saucepan, you want to add in your olive oil, and we're going to let that come to temperature. You want to begin to add in your chicken chunks. You want to cook your chicken in batches, and we're going to cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay guys, you want the chicken to be golden on each side. After 8 minutes, you can remove them from your pan and add in your second batch. Okay, I got my last batch in. Okay, now after your second batch of chicken is done, add the first one back in with it. Just want to go ahead and mix it up. I'm just going to add some of our honey sauce to it. Okay, now you want to mix it until it's well coated. Once your chicken is well coated, turn off the heat and set it to the side. Okay guys, in a saucepan, we're going to begin to make our roux. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. And you also want to warm up your 2 cups of milk. Once your butter has melted, you want to add in your 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And You want to continue to mix it in with the butter for a minute. Next, we're going to slowly add in our warm milk. You can go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. We're also going to add in our cup of heavy cream. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Then you want to bring it to a simmer. We're going to let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens up. Now we're going to begin to add our cheeses in. And guys, you want to save some cheese for the top. Just want to go ahead and mix it until it all melts. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add in my smoked paprika, some adobo all-purpose seasoning, and my garlic powder. I'm also going to add in some ground black pepper. So you can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And guys, you can go ahead and give it a taste. If you want to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. Mine, I'm actually going to add in a little bit of sugar. That's optional and you guys don't have to do that. So now you want to begin to add in your macaroni. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay, so now I have a cast iron braiser, but you guys can use any baking dish that you wish. You just want to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray, and we're going to pour our macaroni and cheese in. Now we're going to take our remainder of our cheese and just put it over top. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some paprika on top of our baked macaroni and cheese. Okay guys, I'm using my Power XL, but you can put your baked macaroni and cheese in your oven at 325 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Guys, you can adjust your time to 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, after 20 minutes, it's ready to come out of your oven. Okay guys, look how nice and golden the top is. Okay guys, now all we're going to do is add our chicken to the top of our baked macaroni and cheese. Okay guys, look how delicious that looks. Now I'm just going to take some of my honey sauce and we're going to drizzle it right over top. Okay guys, look. Nice and creamy and cheesy this is. It tastes delicious. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our honey pepper chicken mac and cheese. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?